I'm at the Super H Mart in Ridgefield, New Jersey. It's been closed for a couple of weeks. Closed on April 4th. And it opened earlier this week. I think it's April 19th today. It's the first time I've ever seen a line here. There was no line before the supermarket closed. Bakery ladies here. Guess you can't exit this way. Koreans eat a lot of sweet rice. I'm not sure what that is. You wash it, yeah? So it looks like they've made some of the aisles wider to help with social distancing. I don't see any of the organic spring mix or arugula that I used to have in the smaller containers. So far I've got a box of mangoes, green onions, cilantro, and a kabuka squash. So here's the fish department where we get our Sunday dinner. It looks brighter, but pretty much the same in terms of the floors. And I don't know if they changed anything here. I was looking for red snapper today. We're going to do them in the oven. $7.99. Two of them could serve 4 of us. So it's about $37. Those 2 fish weighed a little over 4 pounds. The snapper are wild caught from like Panama. Here are the snappers. Gotta put them on a bag of ice that I got. Gonna pick up some prepared food, the stewed tofu. And then I'm looking for the mackerel, the pollock. Not sure they have it today. Took some veggie pancakes last time I was here a few weeks ago. It turned out to be like hockey pucks. We got some fish cake maki. Doesn't look like they have the seasoned pollock. These counters used to be devoted to free food samples, but they ended those several weeks ago. A couple of weeks, maybe 3 weeks before the store closed. And here's the Alaska pollock. Stewed Alaska pollock. Okay, so we've got the 15-pound bag of white rice, but there's no price sign here. So I'm through checkout, $110. Usually I don't spend that much here, but the 2 fish by themselves are like $47, I believe. And $37 for 2 fish. And I have to get some rice, box of mangoes, box of spicy noodle soup. Okay, I'm out of here now. Sunday's the less busy day, believe it or not. So this is a new exit. Just to go that way. Oh, no, thank you. Right. That's okay. I don't need them.
No money pay, free.
Yeah, but
You see.
it's okay. No, thank you very much. Appreciate it. Thank you. Giving away free eggs. But we have eggs. I'm good, thank you. This cart is hard to steer. Looks like it's got some body damage. Steering right. So we gotta. So that's another shopping trip to the Super H Mart.